Ini dari Yayasan Pengabdi Setan. Mantap bro, cisadon, kabut. Sampai warung pet. Jalanan mulai guys menuju cisadon di tengah Raman Wave. Dari masakan. Ini sepatu gue. Allah, ini sepatu gue. Kakak senyum kak. Guys, ayo lari. Life changes, just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Oke guys.
Saya tungguin di pos bawah tuh yang ada warung.
Agak makan terus sih bininya.
Turun lagi dia.
Atau tadi dia.
Irfan biarin hidup santai dulu nanti paskan. Santai dulu kalau udah salah tempuh.
Cisadon satu guys, guys.
Mantap ya. Wah, siapa? Anak besar.
Oh. Udah nyampe cisadon guys. Nyampe cisadon tidak, nyampe cisadon. Oh, kabut. Udah nyampe cisadon. Bang Julai, kita udah nyampe cisadon Bang Julai.
Oke guys, pokoknya yang di rumah yang nggak kuat nggak usah pada ikut ya nanti ya.
Iya.
Kalau berat hukumannya.
Berat. Ini dari Yayasan Pengabdi Setan. Ini sekte dari rumah sakit mayat.
Mantap.
Buat lucu-lucuan doang.
Wis. Aduh berat. Berat ini urusan dah.
Kecepatan tambah ya, tambah ya. Oi, lari. Baik coach. Coach, oke coach.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be, and do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose.
Ini ada yang nabun ya, maaf ya dek. Ada yang nabun ini. Lagi nabut singkong. Mantap bro. Cisadon. Kabut. Iya. Depan. Bang Culai udah nyampe Cisadon, guys.
Pokoknya guys.
Mantap. Cisadon udah nyampe, guys. Udah nyampe Cisadon. Mau ke Curug lo 4 kilo lagi. Tuh, rawa gede 6,9.
Itu bukan, Bang, Cepi.
Apa tuh?
Lu hijau tuh.
Iya.
Kenapa Bang?
Tungkio. Lihat ini bocah, kita jarang-jarang kerjain para anak muda.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Mantap guys.
Oke guys.
Iya.
Tartanya nggak ketemu jalan tadi tuh.
Woi.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Kita ajak belusukan guys. Bapak-bapak ini guys.
We're soaring on top of the world.
Batal udah kayak gitu.
Udah kayak orang nyari pesugihan nih kita.
Ini ada tuh mangkungnya. Tuh ada itu-itunya tuh kembang-kembangnya tuh.
Hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart to say. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy.
Balik lagi aja, balik lagi.
Getting hard to talk.